So we have to talk a little bit about what do you do when you get your response? Okay, so you've bid 4-0 and your partner has given you a response. You've bid 4-0 and your partner's given you a response. What's the thought process? So let's walk through these examples here. Avoid bidding slam when missing 2 key cards. Okay, so that's either a 2 aces combination or an ace-king combination, right? The king being the king of trump. If you find out after the response that you're off 2 key cards, don't bid slam. Okay? Just sign off. If you're missing 1 key card and the queen of trump, okay, so for example, it goes 4-0, 5 hearts. So you know you have no queen of trump, right? Then it's a judgment call. If you have only 8 known combined trump, right, a 9th trump hasn't been shown in the auction, then you want to just sign off. If you have 9 combined trump and you can see the trump jack, then go ahead and bid slam. Otherwise, sign off in game. And if you have 10 confirmed trump, bid slam, whether or not you're missing the queen or not. Okay, so you get your response and you're missing the queen of trump, right? And you're off a key card, right? Missing 1 key card plus the queen of trump, right? Then it's a judgment call, and it has to really do with 1, the number of trump, okay? 1, the number of trump. And then I'll just write trump. And then 2 is the trump jack. All right, so let's look at some examples because this right now is just a bunch of words, I know.